Agas Concept developed a unique product for skin brightening and natural anti-aging care, based on medicinal plants, vitamins, and minerals from seawater. Evaluation is designed to combat pigmentation and provide anti-aging benefits. It is well known that every product has a limited shelf life, as oxidation and spoilage occur after the product is opened, to prevent such actions. Agas Concept chemists manage to isolate active ingredients and preserve their freshness in separate containers. Mixing them before application allows maintaining the product's freshness and effectiveness over time. The product is suitable for pregnant and nursing women, all skin types, and is safe for use during summer months. Evaluation consists of 6 products: HA cleanser, exfoliator gel and activator, boosting mask, brightening and rejuvenating mask for the eye area, and brightening and rejuvenating cream.